Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret, where we journey to the world's most mysterious and breathtaking destinations, uncovering the wonders of science behind them. Today, we're venturing to one of the most enigmatic and extreme locations on the planet, Mount Erebus, located in the heart of Antarctica. This iconic volcano is not only the southernmost active volcano in the world, but it also holds secrets that intrigue scientists and adventurers alike. Imagine standing on the frozen expanse of Antarctica, surrounded by endless sheets of glistening ice, with the crisp, biting air swirling around you. Rising dramatically from this stark white landscape is Mount Erebus, its snowy slopes contrasting against a plume of smoke that spirals into the sky. This is no ordinary mountain. Mount Erebus is a living volcano, and it has been actively erupting for over 1.3 million years. But how did such a powerful force of nature come to exist in one of the coldest, most remote places on Earth? The formation of Mount Erebus began deep beneath the Earth's surface, with immense tectonic forces at work. Antarctica, though now covered in ice, sits atop a complex network of tectonic plates. Millions of years ago, as the Antarctic plate slowly shifted and stretched, cracks and fissures opened in the Earth's crust. These gaps allowed molten rock, known as magma, to rise from the mantle below. Over countless eruptions, this magma cooled and solidified, layer upon layer, until Mount Erebus emerged from the icy ground. Today, it stands at a towering 3,794 meters, or over 12,400 feet, making it the second highest volcano in Antarctica. But what truly sets Mount Erebus apart is its persistent activity. While most volcanoes have periods of dormancy, Erebus is almost constantly active, its summit crowned by a rare and mesmerizing feature, a permanent lake of molten lava. This lava lake is one of only a handful in the world. Imagine a churning, glowing pool of liquid rock, hundreds of meters across, bubbling and splashing as gases escape from deep within the Earth. The temperature of this lava can soar above 1,000 degrees Celsius or 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the freezing temperatures outside, the energy from within keeps the lake in constant motion. Scientists are fascinated by this phenomenon because it offers a unique window into the inner workings of our planet. So, how does Mount Erebus keep its lava lake alive while snow and ice surround it? The answer lies in the continuous supply of magma from deep within the Earth. As the magma rises, it brings with it heat and volcanic gases, including carbon dioxide and water vapor. These gases help to keep the magma fluid, preventing it from cooling and solidifying. The pressure from the gases also powers frequent eruptions, which often take the form of strombolian explosions. These eruptions throw glowing lava bombs into the air, creating a spectacular, natural fireworks display against the Antarctic sky. For scientists, Mount Erebus is a living laboratory. They study the chemistry of the gases, the composition of the rocks, and the unique microbial life that manages to thrive in the harsh volcanic environment. Some of these microbes are so well adapted to extreme conditions that they may even offer clues about life on other planets, like Mars or the moons of Jupiter. Now, you might be wondering, how can ordinary travelers visit such a remote and forbidding place? While Mount Erebus is not a typical tourist destination, adventurous visitors can experience its majesty with careful planning and the help of expert guides. The journey begins in Christchurch, New Zealand, where most expeditions to Antarctica are staged. From there, travelers board a flight to McMurdo Station, the largest research outpost on the continent, located on Ross Island, just 35 kilometers from Mount Erebus. This base serves as the gateway to the volcano and offers a safe, organized starting point. Access to Mount Erebus itself is strictly controlled, both to protect the delicate Antarctic ecosystem and to ensure safety. Only a limited number of scientific teams and select guided groups are allowed to approach the mountain each year. If you're lucky enough to join one of these expeditions, you'll need to be well prepared. The conditions are extreme, with temperatures often plunging below -20 degrees Celsius and fierce winds that can whip across the ice at hurricane speeds. Travelers must undergo specialized training in survival skills, including how to dress in layers, manage frostbite risk, and navigate the treacherous terrain. All gear, from insulated boots to high-tech parkas, must be meticulously chosen for warmth and durability. Safety is always the top priority, as the mountain's activity can be unpredictable. Once on the expedition, you'll travel across the ancient ice by snowmobile or tracked vehicle, following in the footsteps of legendary explorers like Ernest Shackleton and Robert Falcon Scott. As you approach Mount Erebus, the vastness of the landscape is overwhelming. The silence is broken only by the crackling of ice and the distant rumble from the volcano's crater. While visitors are not allowed to enter the summit crater itself, you can observe the smoke plume and, on clear days, catch glimpses of the glowing lava lake from a safe distance. The experience is nothing short of otherworldly, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of our planet. For those passionate about photography, Mount Erebus offers extraordinary opportunities. The interplay of light on snow and ice, the shifting colors of the volcanic plume, and the endless Antarctic sky create unforgettable images. Wildlife enthusiasts may also spot seals and penguins on the nearby coast, completing the experience with a glimpse of the region's unique ecosystem. Visiting Mount Erebus is not just a journey through space, but through time. It connects us to the ancient forces that shaped our world and to the spirit of discovery that drives us to explore the unknown. If you're inspired by the wonders of science and adventure, and you want to keep exploring the world's most fascinating places with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, Exploring Nature's Secret. Join our community as we continue to unveil nature's greatest mysteries, one incredible destination at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.